Hi guys, in this demonstration we're going to look at how to schedule Gmb posts. Now, currently Google don't provide a way to schedule your posts from within the Gmb dashboard, so we developed this software using the Google API to schedule posts out to multiple clients' listings. And to do that, first of all, once we're logged into the members area, we go to Post to Gmb and to Post Campaign section. This is where you create a campaign for your client. So I'm going to click on New Campaign at the top, and you would create a campaign using your client's name, for example. This is for your reference only. So let's put A to Z plumbers, just as an example, so you knew what this particular campaign was for. So we're going to publish that campaign first of all, and it's just like a normal WordPress post. Each of our members gets a WordPress multi-user blog, so it's quite easy to use. Most people are fairly familiar with WordPress. So click on Publish. Now, by publishing this, it does not publish a post as you would normally see on a WordPress blog, but it's like an internal post. Then we go to the New Gmb Post button on the right hand side. If you want to add it to a category, you can do, but this example I'm not going to do. Click on New Gmb Posts, and as you can see, once the field opens up, you can create a What's New post, which is what most people are going to use. You can create an event post, an offer post, or a product post. So we need to add an image to that post, so click on Select Image, and like you would find in most WordPress sites, you've got a media center, you can upload a new file, or select one that's already been added. So I'm going to select this one here. Click on Insert Post. So we now have an image that's going to be posted out to our Gmb post. We need to add some content, some text into this field here. Now, we do provide the ability to spin your content. If you're familiar with how to spin articles, for example, you'll have a good idea of how to set one up. We have the character count down here, and it will show you how many characters within the article. Now, you don't have to spin your content. If you want to write each post individually, then you could just add the post in there and then publish it. That's no problem. But we like to spin our content. So we're going to get a spun article. So I'm going to copy that and add it to this field here. And I'll give you an example of why I would do that in a moment. So we're going to choose the button that we're going to add to our Gmb post. So tick the button, and you can see we've got the normal buttons we can add. The Call Now button would remove the URL field because they can tap on the button if they land on a Google post from a mobile device, from a cell phone, and then tap on the button and be connected to the main number that is in your client's Gmb listing. Now, it's a very good way of getting leads directly from the search results. For this example, I'm going to do that, so click on Call Now. Or if you didn't and you wanted to use one of the other ones, then you would add a URL. So when the customer clicks on the button, they will be redirected to a website of your choice. So tick the Call Now button. Go to the Advanced Post section. If you want to schedule this post, then tick this box. Choose the date and time. So for example, Saturday the 15th of December. I'll just change the time to, let's say, 10:26. Click on Done. We will choose the Gmb listing where we want the post to be sent to, and then click on Schedule Post. Before I do that, there is one more thing that you can do. You can automatically repost that post, and this is why I've added spun content, because I can set the post to be reposted every 7, 14, 21 or 28 days. Now, the reason that they do that is because the Gmb posts are deleted after 7 days. So I like to repost them, and if I wanted to repost it every 7 days for a year, I'd just add 52 on there and then choose 7 on this drop down box here. So that would post once a week for 52 weeks. If I want to get the post to be posted indefinitely, then I will put 0, and it will continue reposting this post, spinning the content. It would use the same image, by the way, but it would spin the content and keep on posting until you changed the amount of times, or turn off the automatic repost. Once you've done that, click on schedule post, and we can now see that the post date is the 15th of December at 10:26 a.m. Once the post has been posted to your Gmb listing, then you'll get a link just here below the business title, which will send you straight to that Gmb post. And as I said, with this one, I've got it set to repost every 7 days. So every 7 days, this link will change to a new Gmb post. So guys, if you want to learn a bit more about how to use our system, check the description below. Click on the short URL, and that will take you through to our main website, gmbauto postpro.com.